The pursuit of continuous productivity has become a significant goal for many. The challenge is to achieve peak performance without succumbing to burnout with minimal effort. Don't worry, with a strategic game plan, it's totally within your reach. At the beginning of our journey to a productive life, we must realistically plan our future steps. So take a paper and a pencil and make a map where you mark your long-term goals and short-term goals. But the most important is the last step. Divide each goal into smaller subtasks. This will prevent possible burnout, and at the same time it will give us joy from each achieved milestone. We must also pay attention to the efficient distribution of time. Create a daily schedule in which you note key tasks, but also think about breaks. Prioritize tasks and stick to a disciplined routine that's important for productivity. Use specialized techniques, such as the Pomodoro method. What does such a method mean? It consists in compensating each work period with a break. So, for example, we will work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. We repeat this cycle 4 times, and then instead of a 5-minute break, we choose a 15-minute break. This method will help us focus more and at the same time, do our work with gusto. Modern technology will be the worst enemy of productivity these days. Constantly scrolling on TikTok or YouTube can disrupt our discipline. That is why it is recommended that when we start doing something, we should turn off distracting elements or limit their use to absolutely necessary activities, such as communication or calendar. It's important to add self-care, because being productive non-stop is exhausting. Include longer breaks in your daily schedule and, above all, quality rest. Because balancing work commitment strengthens mental and especially physical strength. Non-stop productivity requires grit, discipline, and above all, self-reflection. Celebrate every win and every loss to ensure that your journey is fulfilling and sustainable. Productivity isn't just about work, it's about attitude,